Welcome to Coruzant Technologies, home of the Digital Executive Podcast. Welcome to the Digital Executive. Today's guest is David Carmell. David Carmell is the CEO and founder of the management consulting firm C-Suite Advantage and DealRockit, the breakthrough new digital platform and business development technology that revolutionizes how firms and enterprises invest in their ecosystem. David Carmell has over 2 decades of experience in business ownership, senior executive management, mergers and acquisitions, startups, SaaS, and consulting. During his career, Carmell acquired, owned, integrated, and managed turnaround companies in distribution, remanufacturing, logistics, automotive, and transportation. He is a recognized global top 50 thought leader on customer experience and has a unique understanding of the challenges and complexities faced by business owners and stakeholders today. Well, good afternoon, David. Glad to have you on the show.
Brian, it's my pleasure, and thank you for having me.
Awesome. Love a podcast. Every time I get on a podcast, I get really excited, and especially finding out what people are doing out there, either their entrepreneur space or their technology space. So David, looking at your bio, you do have a distinguished career in your field, which is, I thought, pretty cool because this resonates with me, right? The customer experience. You've been on the Thinkers 360 list of top 50 global thought leaders, influencers around customer experience. Could you just share with our audience what prompted you to found DealRockit?
Brian, I'd be delighted to. I wanted to create the first of its kind digital marketplace and business membership community that made it easy to fund and scale businesses, enterprises, and next act. We wanted to revolutionize how business ecosystems connect, collaborate, and thrive on an online platform. We sought to level the playing field and offer a simpler and more efficient means to cultivate vital business relationships. In my experience as a business owner, CEO, and advisors to other CEOs and business owners, I saw the need for fast access to information, resources, and opportunity within a comprehensive customer engagement business development platform. Brian, it simply did not exist. So we built one with all the must-haves to accelerate growth and create a new era of inclusion and collaboration.
Thanks for sharing that. Looking to really dive into that a little bit more. Again, we talked about customer experience, right, in your platform and why you're so passionate about it. And I've written several articles on the same topic as well. Is there a nugget of wisdom you can share with our audience around the customer experience and how that tied back to your vision in your new platform?
Brian, my nugget is that investing in your ecosystem works. The best way to counter market disruptions and grow is to start with the constituency in front of you. This means your teams, prospects, clients, referral partners, and other stakeholders. I like to use the term ecosystem investing, and what I mean by that is investing in your existing constituencies and your aspirational prospects. We offer a comprehensive customer engagement business development solution, one that combines the best of innovative technology with human experience, allowing firms to offer free products with far-reaching capabilities and benefits to invited clients, prospects, and business referral partners. These are the must-haves to monetize scale, unlock innovation, and put your unique stamp on a stakeholder value.
Thanks for sharing that, David. I really do appreciate it. So what will your new platform mean to so many people now working in this virtual world where business has fundamentally shifted due to the pandemic?
That's a great and interesting question. As we used to say, the $64,000 question, but DealRockit is all about solving business challenges through expedited access and opportunity remotely. This is even more important today than when I started. Nowadays, people are physically isolated in this ultimate way to get it connected virtually, and that's what DealRockit is. In the COVID-19 economy, all of us, individuals and businesses alike, are looking for a new way forward. In many ways, we are facing the same predicament, Brian, that were once limited to those seeking to start, grow, or invest in a business. That is, and what I mean, is not knowing where or how to begin and lacking the access, know-how, and connections to do so. Today, we all have a historic opportunity to jumpstart a decimated economy by remaking a business ecosystem that is better and far more inclusive than the one we have left behind.
Thanks again for sharing. I do appreciate that. There's a lot of challenges with the pandemic today, and I speak to guests every week that share some of the same sentiments. I do appreciate what you're sharing. So David, question, do you leverage any new technology in your products that you might share? Like what's one thing, or how does your product differentiate you from your competition versus, conventional means?
Great question, and yes, we do. As a membership-based multi-marketplace optimization software solution, DealRockit offers the tools for enterprises, entrepreneurs, and potential investors to buy, sell, scale, and invest in businesses. It provides a unified location to foster business relationships that allows all of us to move forward in online business transactions and business development. Our cloud-based digital marketplace uses proprietary technology to connect like-minded individuals and businesses in a one-stop shop customer acquisition and business development. As you know, there are many unique and proprietary features to DealRockit, each designed to extend member reach and compound opportunity in a hurry. Our robust match, data analytics, dashboards, feedback, deal team, and marketplace tools are second to none. Or as I like to say, welcome to buying, selling, investing, and scaling on steroids. DealRockit allows each user to test scenarios, examine how they measure up, find future partners, and explore growth strategies. Brian, we've created a completely unique platform that combines the best of innovative technology with human experience. Bottom line, there's nothing like it. From its sleek features, intuitiveness, and robustness to aligning interests and solving the key pain points. DealRockit was built to help users and service providers alike to save time, rocket growth, and disrupt the status quo.
Thank you, David. Curious to find out more about your platform. And like I said, I know we're going to hook up again on this show or off the show to look at your product. And I'd like to certainly dig in a little bit more so I can share some of the underlying technologies. Obviously, nothing that's proprietary, but it would be great to share that. But that is amazing. And I appreciate you doing that. So looking forward to that. So David, last question. Any thoughts on how our readership might leverage your platform? Any certain business or customer demographic that this may be best suited for?
Another great question, Brian. Yes, there are many ways to leverage our platform, but I'm going to address your second question first. DealRockit is ideally suited for accounting, insurance, financial professionals and services, SaaS, technology, to name just a few. DealRockit provides solutions for businesses no matter the industry. They serve also offering current and prospective stakeholders a place to build and foster the relationships they need to scale a business. You know, when referring to stakeholders, let's go back to what I said originally about your ecosystem. It includes prospective business buyers, sellers, owners, investors, aspirers, and customers. It places large companies in a role as innovators, allowing them to invite clients and employees, and gives users super participation opportunities to accelerate transactions, fast-track growth, and navigate market changes in one place. Think of the possibilities. You know, as a senior banker told me, why wouldn't every startup and emerging growth company want to be on your platform? Assuming they want to be invited and they don't want to pay deal fees and they don't have to worry about how to get in front of the right people or start out right, what more could you ask for? And an ex-CEO of a large property casualty insurer told me, you know, there's just nothing like it. Our key now, your key now, he said, is to land the big fish so you can scale, and that's what you're built for. So that's why, Brian, you know, when it's all said and done, where else in a matter of minutes or hours, somebody can invite their entire ecosystem. So whether you are a large SaaS provider with business clients, whether you're a property casualty insurer with agencies and their customers and prospects and referral partners, just think in a matter of minutes to hours, you could be able to probably bring on well over 1 million people onto this platform and get them interacting and transacting. Plus, at the same time, this is a real chance for the big players to become heroes, because these large players could very well be these large players. Yes, the very ones already under immense pressure prior to COVID-19 that by using DealRockit will now be able to answer the challenge of releasing digital products in days or weeks rather than being left behind. These firms will not only meet the challenges of today, but help bring inclusion to more people and businesses than ever before. And that's what's really exciting. It will be these visionary firms, Brian, that can now create never thought possible external partnerships and collaborations with small businesses that will drive the new age of American exceptionalism in financial inclusion. This round of innovation and small business success stories will largely center on how previous strangers came together quickly to achieve outside results and become the new innovators that others aspire to be. With that, Brian, we all have a huge opportunity before us. It's time we all get together, and I hope at DealRockit we can just play a part of that. And I know I just want to thank you and your audience for the time and all the great things that you and your company do. Thank you.
David, thank you very much. I appreciate that. And yes, there's certainly some challenges. And I like the fact that we can leverage your technology, your platform in this space to really overcome the challenge that we see with this COVID-19. So thank you again for sharing. And David, as well, I want to personally thank you from the bottom of my heart for being on the show. It was a pleasure having you. And I look forward to speaking with you soon.
Thank you very much. It was great. Thank you again.
Bye for now.